Hi, this is Miss K. In today's video, I'll show you how to see your sent friend requests on Facebook using your Android device. To get started, open the Facebook app and sign in to your account if you haven't already. Tap the Friends icon, then select Friend Requests. Next, tap the three-dot menu or See All, depending on your app version, and choose View Sent Requests. If you don't see that option, tap the search icon, search for Sent Friend Requests, or open your Facebook settings and navigate to your friend request activity if available. Here, you'll see a list of all the friend requests you've sent that are still pending. If you no longer want to wait for someone to accept your request, simply tap Cancel Request next to their name. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to see your sent friend requests on Facebook. Happy watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.